Okay, everyone. We have here two grader. Okay, old 14M, and the other one is also 14M. But this grader, it is always showing error, steering malfunction. Okay, this is a 14M model. Always you have to take for an hour or 30 minutes, and sometimes suddenly it's showing steering malfunction. This problem, it is unusual, and even the caterpillar person was requested that must be bring the caterpillar here, because the caterpillar only can do diagnostic and then analyze through computer to find out easily the problem. But based on them, they recommended replace the bulb. See that inside that 14M, inside that cover, there is a steering actuator. But before that, I was replaced it before the actuator. So the actuator before is totally damaged. So we replace a new one. But they told we need to replace actuator that side. Okay, in this area. So I want to replace it, and also the steering sensor in here. You know what? For more than 15,000, I think, dirham, that they're what we call, that they told we spend for that amount to be finish the problem, and then they will replace the steering sensor of this machine. Okay, could you imagine how long? They are going to replace. You know what I found? Because at that day when this machine is arrived from the site, I think more than less than 1 week right now. So you know what? When I started, the warning is not stopped. They continuously warning, alarming inside the cabin. So it's, you will become crazy when you are an operator. Non-stop alarm. But everything you can control. But the problem, the error is there, because that is a steering system. So they make it the alarm to make it to make an action by the operator to make the machine will have to stop. You know what I found? When I open this fucking wire, I found that this orange wire, it is already repaired on the side. Okay, and then this is also covered by tape. When I pull it by one, this wire, this is the steering sensor. As you can see, we are in the front side. This is an steering sensor wire. I pull one by one. I found out that this orange color wire, it is disconnected. Even the tape is closed. So this tape is newly put by me. So it looks everything is good. Looks everything is in good. But when I open it, I found that this orange wire, it is damaged. So could you imagine? This was when I was check in Abu Dhabi. I go for work on Friday. Usually the Friday is our day off. Okay. We go there just to finish this problem. But luckily, I found it. and then also the Caterpillar technician, he requested for I think more than 15,000 dirhams just to finish this problem. But about in his request, I told I told to my engineer, uh, the parts that he was requesting, it is already I replaced it before. So my engineer, they think maybe I can solve the problem. So what they do, they bring here in our garage. Now I'm here in see at the back area of our garage. This is our office, and then there is a working area. See, okay. They bring me last week. They bring this grader here. So at the first and second checking that I've done, I found that problem. So I told to my engineer, I need and then everything on the monitor is not showing any error. And then I told to my engineer that engineer, I need someone, I need our operator to test this grader. Starting last Thursday, he was testing it for more than an hour. There's no showing any error. And also yesterday, Friday, I've also worked. So the operator is testing more than 2 hours. The error is not shown on the monitor. Okay, you know what happened? I will show something. I'm going to disconnect. From now on, there's no any error showing on the monitor. Just a second. This video, I would like to share. This is my own experience. Okay, don't be bothered or don't be negative thinking. Maybe I'm just only catching a subscriber or a viewer, but this is a experience. It is unusual for me. Okay, even though I replaced the major parts, there's nothing happen or no good. There's no good response. Okay, right now, as you can see, everything is in good. Once I release the parking light will be released. Okay, must be parked. Okay, and also on the monitor, everything is normal. I will open the service mode, service, and diagnostic. Okay, and view diagnostic. As you can see, there's no any active. You can identify if that number is active. It will writing at here A means active. Okay, see, no any active error right now. Okay, now I will try to remove that sensor where the problem it's happened. Okay, I will stop in these portions and I will show you about the. Okay, leave it. I will not stop this video. So I will upload this video without cutting or editing. See, this is the wire. This is the socket. Okay, I'm going to disconnect. See, the warning is that warning, but before it is intermittent. Before is intermittent. As you can see, that's error. Steering malfunction, right steering sensor. That before is not showing right steering. Intermittent error. Okay, so just because of that orange wire that is broken or disconnected, not totally disconnected as a separate totally, it is sometimes connected, because I told to the mechanic just open this cover, So I think that time when he opening the cover, this is the cover. Okay, this is the cover. So to protect the socket and the wire. When he open, maybe he touched the wire, so it will totally disconnected. So that's why the error is not stop. It's always for warning, giving warning. Okay, everyone, you know what happened? Why this wire is damaged? Because sometimes the grader they make like a shovel. They make like a shovel, and then sometimes some big stone drop on this wire, so that can cause of damage. You see, some stone sometimes is drop and then under at any direction, at any position. That's happen why the wire is getting damaged. Okay, now I already returned to normal, so I have to do something there to make the warning will be stopped. See, still steering malfunction. What to do? I will stop and again start. Okay, if you if you see the situation, how is it happen based on my video, how is it showing, how damage, how's everything. If you see when I found the problem, maybe someone will think, ah, that is an easy, that is this video is I just only like I just wanted to share for everyone. Maybe you have the or you're facing at this type of problem, so you can get an idea regarding about how the steering malfunction it happened. So the steering is a two sensor at the front to sensing the percentage of the direction of the tire. Okay, and also maybe anyone who they don't know about that sensor type of sensor, I will show you how long, and then it is not easy to repair. Okay, I hope everyone uh, will follow on my video, all my videos, and I hope also that this video will help for everyone. Maybe it is not the same problem or facing the same type of problem, just to try troubleshoot step by step, as long as the machine is in yours or is in your side. You don't need to travel far, you can do anything you want. As I've shown in this video, I do it one by one to pull the wire one by one. Okay, just to make it sure which one is damaged, but luckily I found it. Okay, thanks for everyone, and also anyone who see my video, if you think that video is very helpful, okay, can you please subscribe and also like and share. For anyone who do not know about my channel, so can you please share it to everyone, and to all of your friends that their work is same as in this type of field of this work. Well, sorry. Okay, thank you, and hope God bless to all, and I hope that everyone will be inside. Okay.